Dear students, in this video lecture I am going to explain various file IO statements or file read and write statements to perform read and as well as write operation on a file. So to perform IO operations on file we need the following functions. So getC and putC, these are the character oriented. Read a getC, using getC function to read a character from the file. getC of file pointer, that means take the character. getC means take the character from where. FP means file pointer, means file, from the file. In a file, which location the file pointer points, that location character is read from the file using getC. Similarly, putC, the character you are going to write into a file where the file pointer pointing the location. సో ఫైల్ పాయింటర్ ని ఇచ్చేసి ఫైల్ పాయింటర్ ఏ అడ్రస్ని అయితే చూపిస్తుందో ఇన్ ఫైల్ ఆ లొకేషన్లో సి అనే క్యారెక్టర్ని టైప్ చేస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ fprintf, fscanf. fprintf is a function used to store the set of data onto a file. So here we have fstring, fp file pointer, control string already you know, printf already you know. printf ఎక్కడైనా రాస్తాం మనం %d, ఏ అయితే ఏ రాస్తాం, ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ రాస్తాం, %d ఏ అని రాస్తాము, కాకుండా ఇక్కడ ఫైల్ పాయింటర్ రాయాలి. నౌ fprintf is a statement used or a function used to write data into a file at the file pointer location. For that we use the fp. And in addition to that, printf, this is just like a printf. So here the additional argument used in fprintf is file pointer fp. The remaining thing is same as printf. Similarly, fscanf is a function used to read data from the file. Here also same, control strings %d ampersand a antam. Similarly, here also same, %d ampersand a, right? That means we are reading the data through keyboard. But fscanf means reading the data from the file. Kabatti additional argument in the scanf is fp. Scanf lo fp pedthe it becomes fscanf. So scanf means read the data through keyboard, fscanf means read the data from the file. Similarly, mprintf is write the data onto a screen, fprintf is write the data into a file. So this is similar, fprintf and fscanf is similar to the printf and scanf. Only the thing is, using printf scanf we are reading the data from the keyboard and display the data onto the screen, whereas fprintf, fscanf are used to read the data. fscanf is to read the data from the file, fprintf is to write the data into a file. Next, getW. getW is a function used to get the integer value from the file. Similarly, putW is a function used to write the integer data into a file. Similarly, I have to explain one by one. Now coming to the first set is character oriented files IO operations. Character oriented. So read a character from a file, getC or fgetC. Both we can use either getC or fgetC. Now first step is create a file pointer. Syntax is int fgetC file stream. File stream is file pointer. This one is file pointer. So fgetC reads the next available character from the input stream and return it as an integer. Now example C. First create the, we have to follow the 4 steps of file processing. First create the file pointer, next open the file student.txt read mode. Now I want to getC is a function used, fgetC or getC both are used to read the data from the file. So read cheyalante first you have to create the file, open the file, read cheyali kabatti you have to use the read mode symbol is R. Once you create the file and open the file, you can perform the read operation. Here character ch equal to fgetC of fp. Now fgetC is a function take the character from the file of a location pointed by the fp. File pointer ఈ student.txt లో ఏ లొకేషన్లో ఉందో ఆ లొకేషన్లో ఉండే క్యారెక్టర్ని fgetC రీడ్ చేస్తుంది, రీడ్ చేసి chలో స్టోర్ చేస్తుంది. Write character to a file. Similarly, writing the character into a file, put c, f put c. Similarly, again you have to follow the same syntax is f put c character ch file file pointer. This is the syntax. File pointer variable. Now example same. Create the file pointer. Next open the file using fopen function and specify the mode you have to, because we are going to write the symbol we have to use for mode is W. Now the file student.txt is opened and that file address is available in a file pointer. Now using this particular file pointer I am going to write. Now first I take the character from the file ch. Now the character I got, the value I got in the variable ch is going to write in a file. F put c character, ఏ క్యారెక్టర్ని మీరు రైట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారో ఆ వేరియబుల్ నేమ్, నెక్స్ట్ ఫైల్ పాయింటర్. సో ఈ ఫైల్ పాయింటరు student.txt లో ఒక లొకేషన్ పాయింట్ చేస్తుంది. ఈ ఫైల్ పాయింటరు పాయింట్ చేసిన లొకేషన్లో ఈ ch అనే క్యారెక్టర్ రైట్ అవుతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ రిగార్డింగ్ character oriented IO operations. Similarly, we have getS and putS also. String oriented character బదులు string. So at a time I can read one string from the file. Similarly, I can write string into a file. For that we use getS or fgetS. Same syntax is same, getS. Now character ch, because it is a string, fgetS. Now this fgetS function take the first string from this file pointer pointing location. సో ఫైల్ పాయింటరు student.txt లో ఎక్కడ ఉందో అక్కడ ఆ లొకేషన్లో ఉండే స్ట్రింగ్ని రీడ్ చేసి chలో స్టోర్ చేస్తుంది. సేమ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ ఫర్ write string into a file, write string into a file using putS and fputS. Similarly, so we have putS syntax. You write the same, but open a file, create a file, open a file, write mode, and then first to get the string from file, Now f put s. Now this is the information how to read a string from the file. Similarly, how to write a string into a file. Next, integer oriented file functions. Get w, put w. Same. You want to write integer value into a file. You want to read integer value from a file. Use the f get w. Same. Create a file. Open the file. Get the integer from the file using get w function. Similarly, put w. We use put w. Same. Write integer data into a file. File pointer. Open the file in write mode because we are going to write integer data into a file. Read the number from the keyboard, then that take that number reading from the keyboard, then that number has to write into a file. F put w number into a file pointer. Just file name plus the file pointer ichestam. Using file pointer only we can perform the operations, or put w you can use. The last one is formatting file input output functions. So here see, you just scanf function is at a time you can read character data, integer data, float, and any data type values you can read using scanf. Here also same fscanf is there using set of data values. Now syntax fscanf file pointer control string list. Now we use file, create the file pointer, open the file because it is a reading data from the file using fscanf. The file is open in read mode. Next, define the what are the variables we are going to use to store the data reading from the keyboard. Now I am using name, grade, marks, and all ticket number, 4 variables. Now I have to read the data using the variables from the file. Here I am using the scanf fp. Already I told fscanf is a function used to read the data from the file. From the file kabatti file pointer ni ichestam fp. అయితే ఇవన్నీ సేమ్. నేమ్ అనేది స్ట్రింగ్ కాబట్టి పర్సంటేజ్ ఇచ్చాను, మార్క్స్ ఇంటీజర్ కాబట్టి %d, ఆల్ టికెట్ నెంబర్ ఇంటీజర్ కాబట్టి %d, గ్రేడ్ స్ట్రింగ్ కాబట్టి పర్సంటేజ్ ఇచ్చేసాను. ఆటోమేటికల్లీ దీస్ 4 వేరియబుల్స్ read from the file pointer. Similarly, we use printf statement to write this information into a file. Now see, open the create the file pointer fp out, use that file pointer created, and open the file in write mode. Why? Because we are going to write the data into a file. Now for this we use scanf. So by printf fp file pointer, so these are the values I am going to write into a file, student.txt, in the location pointed by the file pointer. So these are the 4 IO file functions used to read the data from the file and as well as to write the data into a file. To once again I explain, to read the data using IO input functions or read statements. What are the read statements available or input functions available in file to read data from the file? So character oriented get c, f get c, integer oriented get w, put w, string oriented get s, put s, and formatted read statement fscanf, fprintf. Now read statements are fget c, fget w, fget s, fscanf, 4 statements. Similarly, for writing data into a file, fput c, fput w, fput s, F printer. So these are the various file read write statements used to read the data from the file and as well as to write data into a file. Thank you.